Thou shalt remember the Lord thy God. It is he that giveth thee power to get wealth.
It's Money Mondays on Get Up Morning.
It's Money Mondays, and back with us is our AI expert, Kim Fox Dunnigan. Kim, welcome back to Get Up Mornings.
Thank you for having me back, Griff. This is a great opportunity for me. Thank you so much.
Okay, so we're going to be talking about how AI can work as your assistant. I hear a lot of people doing this lately. What does it really mean when you say you have a digital assistant, especially in ministries and businesses? Break that down to us.
Well, I want to first start by saying congratulating you guys on your Stellar Award and your induction into the Gospel Music Hall of Fame. So
thank you.
You're welcome. That's an amazing. We're just blessed by you guys using your gifts to bless the kingdom. So to answer your question, how is AI is an assistant, basically. It's an assistant. It's not a replacement for you. You have to look at it as a tool that can save you time and money. If you think of it, especially in churches like this, you know those members that are willing to just do anything you ask them to do at a moment's notice. That's who AI is to you as a pastor, as a ministry. As a small business owner outside of the church, you can look at it as an intern for your business who never gets tired. They never forget. They're always there, and they're constant support for you. And those are just ways to look at AI and shift the mindset, because so many of us are thinking of it as a replacement, and it's not. It's a tool that can save you time and money in your daily life.
Give us some quick examples on how churches or small ministries could use AI right now, like how?
So, for instance, I'm currently using AI to help a church. And what I do is I get their sermon on a Sunday. I get the transcript. I upload it to AI and I say, hey, create a blog post for this for social media. And so it keeps the context of the sermon. It keeps the pastor's voice. It cuts my time down tremendously because I'm just uploading it. And then I'm pasting it and copying it into their social media. I also then tell AI, hey, let's write a blog post that can help people in their walk as it relates to this sermon transcript. And within 2 minutes, AI has created a blog post. And so you can, as a ministry, as a church, you can use AI to keep the word in front of your members. It's not a replacement for the word that you are delivering. It's a way to help you spread it more. You can use it to help you write the newsletter. You can use it to say, hey, can you create a list of prayer requests that came in? Not so that it responds to prayer requests, but so that you don't miss a prayer request. And you'll have the ability to then follow up and stay in closer contact with your members in that way.
Love it. Now, you are helping me and Cheryl in some different ways. You put together a screenwriting board of advisors for me for movies and stuff. But what's one simple way someone listening right now, what can they try this week? It's easy.
Easy. So those things that I created for you, so I'm going to share a little bit more insight. There are custom GPTs that can be made to specifically serve a purpose, which is what I've done for you and Cheryl. And those are specifically to give insight to the board of screenwriters to help simplify the process of finding topics. So what someone can do this week is to just simply write in a new chat in ChatGPT to say, create a short newsletter for me with 3 sections, a welcome section, upcoming events, and a Bible verse. That could be for your church or ministry. And someone who has a small business may say, write a Facebook post inviting people to my event on such and such a date. It has to be a warm and welcoming tone. And those are 2 simple steps that people can use can take to use social AI this week.
You're the bomb. That's Kim Fox Dunnigan, our new financial and AI expert. To stay connected with her, log on to purposedrivenenterprises.com. Kim, thank you for stopping by. You are the truth, ma'am.
Oh, well, thank you. And I just want to throw in that I'm offering some free getting started with AI seminars, and you can find those on my website, too.
Love it. Stick around, y'all, to Get Up Hoes coming up in moments on Get Up Mornings with Erica Campbell.
listening to Get Up Mornings with Erica Campbell.